Namaskar. Hello and welcome to P Guru's channel. I'm your host Sri Iyer. On P Gurus, we just published a statement, a joint statement by the 5 nuclear powers, United States, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China, that the use of nuclear weapons to other countries will be very carefully done, and that none of these 5 countries, no first use. They will do it only if somebody else attacks them with a nuclear weapon. Now, this is one side. What is interesting is, why is this declaration or joint statement coming now? Is it because China has already given nuclear missile production line technology to 5 Islamic countries? Which are the 5 Islamic countries? Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Syria, Iran and Pakistan. If all of them have this, is this declaration coming after that? Or is this trying to head off something in that direction? Now, China, being pushed in a corner, has done this thing, saying, do whatever you want, we're going to send these people the technology. That shows that China is really hurting for foreign exchange. Now, it's not just P Gurus which has been saying this. You should also look at some other sites on YouTube, such as Real Finance, and they have been saying this for a long time, that China has run out of foreign exchange. And you can see those things because this is an independent school of thought giving you the same inputs. So China needs foreign exchange. Is that the reason why it sold these things to countries like Saudi Arabia and Qatar, who have money overflowing, and then they also gave it to Iran and Pakistan, because these are the actual workers who are going to get this thing done for those 2 countries and perhaps even Syria. So we have to wait and see. So this is where this thing becomes really significant as to what exactly is the reason behind coming up with this joint statement. Now let's take a look at what happened. So all these 5 countries have nuclear weapons, and we know that after Hiroshima and Nagasaki, nobody has intentionally used nuclear weapons against another country, because the world has seen the kind of destruction it wreaks. So that said, if there is a rogue empire, rogue nation which decides to take up this thing and launch it, where do you think these 5 countries will launch it? I can tell you one, perhaps Pakistan might launch it against India, but others such as Iran, Syria, Qatar and Saudi Arabia, they will only use it against Israel. So let's say if that happens, but we also remember that where is the fallout going to be felt? The nuclear cloud is going to follow the winds, and the winds blow from west to east. That means the winds are going to blow from wherever this thing happens eastward. It'll go over Syria, perhaps Iran and Pakistan, and then it will land in India, and one of these streams branches up and it goes into China. So essentially, by giving this, is China's shooting its own foot? What is the real rationale behind this? We don't know. Nobody is going to tell us this, but it is important for India to look at how well its own technology shapes up or measures against all these other people. Now, India's technology is very much internal. It has not sought any help from anybody when they did this. But it remains to be seen how effective India's nuclear weapons are. I don't know if you remember, in 1998, when India, that is under the Vajpayee government, the one that lasted only like 11 or 12 or 13 months, exploded the nuclear device, United States papers reported that as a very low intensity blast. In fact, they said both the Pakistan, which exploded it a few days after India did, were both low intensity blasts, a little bit more than a dirty bomb, which people say that has a very low, limited impact in terms of how far the wind is going to blow. Be that as it may, this sort of saber rattling or grandstanding on part of China is not good, and we have to wait and see whether there is truth in the statement that they have indeed given away to these 5 countries the nuclear missile production line technology. Essentially, that means everything, keys to the kingdom. Now, the next interesting thing here is Pakistan has purchased 25 J-10C planes from China, and the rumor is that it costs about $40 million. Now they have bought 25. So what is the total cost for that? $1 billion. Pakistan doesn't have money to make its payrolls. Where is it getting this $1 billion from? Hint: IMF is about to give Pakistan, or it's just given Pakistan, a $1 billion loan. You guys do the math. Is this how Pakistan is going to spend that IMF loan? We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. However, this whole nuclear game is just very, very concerning, because no matter who explodes it, the stream of air that is going to blow is going to be felt in India and China. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Namaskar.